9:30 Eastern time, I'm going to be on Ryan and Kelly, which is 6:30 LA time. Make sure you don't miss it because I'm singing the way I are. It's going to be fun. Right, everyone?
Yeah, what's good, everyone? It's Bebe's brother. We out here, live with Ryan and Kelly. Bebe Rexha, Sweet A. Air supply, oxygen on deck, you know. We alive. Take you in the... What's up, everyone?
What's going on?
Live with Kelly and Ryan. What time? 9:45 Eastern.
Oh, make sure you watch it.
We'll sneak in on the band. Yo, what's good, band?
Yo, what's good? What you
Sneaking on the band. What's up?
Hey, murder on the beach, so it's not nice. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. That's it, that's it, that's it, that's it. That's it, that's it. That's it, that's it. That's it. Bear, hi, mama. Hi, mama. Hi. You love me, you do. Oh, I love this baby girl. I love this baby girl. Flo, how do you think Live with Kelly and Ryan went?
It was amazing.
And now I'm having breakfast with my favorites. My brother, my doggy Bear. She's licking her vagina. My mom, Kira.